Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. So in previous class we studied the types of the equity shares, okay, and in next concept, that is the second one type of the share is called as the preference shares. So under preference shares, here the first preference is given to these shareholders in getting the dividend. Here the first preference is for compensation of a dividend whenever the company distribute the profit. So whenever company will distributing the profit to each and every shareholders, both the equity and the preference shareholders, first preference is given to the in payment of the dividend or distribution of the profit is first preference given to these shares, that is a preference shares. Second thing, in case of the winding up of the company, the preference shareholders have a prior right in regard to the repayment of capital. So whenever the company will winding up or the liquidation of the company, at the time of winding up of the company, the preference shareholders are having the prior right in repayment of that capital. So this is a brief meaning of that is preference shareholders. So there are some types of the preference shares will be there. So in that first one is there cumulative preference shares, next non-cumulative preference shares and the convertible preference shares. Here cumulative preference shares are nothing but if the company does not earn the profit, then also there will be a payment of dividend to these preference shareholders. Some days or sometimes some period of time the company will not earn the profit, but the company has to pay the dividend to these shareholders who are having this cumulative preference shares. If the company does not earn the profit, even though company does not earn the profit earn ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹಿತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ನಾನ್ ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. It is a just opposite, means if company earns the profit, they distribute that dividend to that is preference shareholders, that is called as a non-cumulative preference shares. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ preference shares, here all the holders are converting that equity shares, means these preference shares are the holders are converting that preference shareholders into that equity shares, and the right in conversion of that whatever the preference into the equity shareholders, these are authorized by the articles of association of the company. So whenever the holders of preference shareholders are converting their shares into the equity shares, they has to be authorized by that is articles of association. So all these are called as some of the types of the preference shares. Means briefly I will tell you, cumulative means even though company will not earn the profit, but company has to pay or distribute the profit to these type of preference shares like cumulative preference shares. Second one, non-cumulative preference shares means if the company earn the profit, then only it will distribute that dividend or profit to these type of preference shares, means non-cumulative. And third one is that convertible, means already preference shares holders are there, they are converting their shares into the equity shares, and that is the right in conversion that is authorized by that is articles of association. Okay, and next concept under your syllabus is a difference between preference shares and the equity shares. So there are some difference between preference shares and the equity shares will be there. Okay, so let us know what are the difference between these preference and the equity shares. So first difference will be there, that is a rate of dividend. So when we are concerning about the preference shares, they are getting the fixed rate of dividend. That is a paid at fixed rate. Whatever dividend will be paid to these shareholders, they are getting at dividend in the fixed rate. Second thing, equity shares, Here whatever rate will be changed depending upon the profit. So equity shareholders ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ in getting that dividend or the profit. It may be changed depending upon the profits. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದರ್ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್. So preference shareholders are not having the right to vote. So there is no voting right. Preference shareholders are not having no voting right. And next one is their equity shares. Here equity shareholders are enjoying their voting rights. That is also one of the difference between preference shares and that is equity shares. And next one is their payment of dividend. So under payment of dividend, under preference shares, first preference is given to the that is preference shareholders. After that equity shareholders. That is a difference. That is preference shareholders have a preferential right to receive dividend before equity shares. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ before the equity shares. And next one is the payment of dividend under the equity shareholders is made only after paying to the preference shareholders. So preference shareholders ke kot aada nantara depending upon the availability of amount, availability of profit, the rest will pay to the that is equity shareholders. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ರಿಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹಿಯರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್. Preference shares can be redeemed and equity shares cannot be redeemed at all. So that is the difference between preference shares and the equity shares. Next one is their right to participation in the management. So preference shareholders are having no right to participate in the management, but equity shareholders are having right to participate in the management because equity shareholders are called as the owners of the company. So that's why they are having the right to participate in the that is management. And last one is their arrears of dividend. So under cumulative preference shareholders can get the arrears of the past dividend. So whatever arrears of dividend will be there, that cumulative preference shareholders can get these arrears of dividend under the preference shares, but equity shareholders are not get these arrears of past dividend. ಏನಾದರೂ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಡುವುದಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಅದ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ that arrears of dividend, but equity shareholders are not having that is they are not getting the arrears of past dividend. Okay, so all these are called as the some of the difference between the preference shares and the equity shares. Okay, and in next class I will discuss the next one type and other concept which is related to the second chapter. Okay, thank you.